Step onto the vibrant streets of Dhaka, a city teeming with life and untold stories. Prepare to be captivated by an experience unlike any other, and you're instantly swept into a living, breathing city that pulses with energy. It's a place where the old meets the new, where tradition dances with modernity, and where every corner holds a surprise. The sheer dynamism of Dhaka is immediately apparent. The air is thick with humidity, and the aroma of street food, a tantalizing blend that awakens the senses and stirs the appetite. Each scent is a clue to a new discovery, a hint of the culinary treasures that await around every bend. From savory to sweet, the aromas are an invitation to explore. Rickshaw bells, a symphony of tinkling sounds that echo through the streets, creating a unique urban melody. Vendors' calls and a million conversations, a constant hum of human interaction that fills the air with life and laughter. The sounds of commerce and community intertwine, blend into a vibrant city soundtrack, an urban orchestra that plays day and night. It's a chaotic yet harmonious blend that defines the city's character. My mission: to taste the soul of Bangladesh, one street food stall at a time. To delve deep into the heart of its culture through its most accessible and delicious form, its street food. Painted rickshaws and women in bright saris, flashes of color that brighten the bustling streets, adding to the city's visual tapestry. Weave through the crowds, a sea of faces, each with their own story to tell, their own destination in mind. While food carts beckon with promises of something unforgettable, a culinary adventure waiting to unfold. Each cart is a portal to a new flavor, a new experience. The sweet smoke of kebabs, a tantalizing aroma that wafts through the air, drawing you closer with its irresistible allure. Tangy tamarind for fuchka, a burst of sour and sweet that awakens the palate and leaves you craving more. And the nutty aroma of jhalmuri, a symphony of textures and flavors that dance on the tongue, a truly unique and satisfying snack. Create a sensory map through the city, a guide to its hidden gems and culinary delights. Let your senses lead the way. Here, food is more than sustenance. It's celebration, a joyous expression of culture and tradition, shared amongst friends and strangers alike. Community, a shared experience that brings people together, fostering connections and creating lasting memories. And daily ritual, a comforting routine that provides a sense of belonging and continuity in the ever-changing landscape of the city. Every bite tells a story, a tale of generations past, of traditions upheld, and of the unique flavors that define Bangladesh. And every street corner offers a new chapter, a new opportunity to discover something delicious and unexpected. In the city's culinary tale, a rich and diverse narrative that reflects the heart and soul of its people. This journey isn't just about eating, it's about experiencing the heart of Bangladesh, immersing yourself in its culture, and connecting with its people through the universal language of food. My first stop on this culinary adventure is a legendary fuchka stall. It's strategically located near Dhaka University, a bustling hub of youthful energy and intellectual curiosity. This particular stall has earned a reputation that precedes it, drawing in crowds from all corners of the city. The area is buzzing with students, locals, and even tourists, all eager to get their hands on this iconic street food. The atmosphere is electric, filled with chatter, laughter, and the tantalizing aroma of spices. Behind the magic is Karim Bhai, the vendor, a seasoned expert in the art of fuchka making. His hands move with practiced ease, a testament to years spent perfecting his craft. With a swift motion, he cracks open crisp puris, the hollow, fried shells that form the foundation of this beloved snack. The sound is incredibly satisfying, a promise of the deliciousness to come. He then meticulously fills them with a generous helping of spiced potatoes and chickpeas, a hearty and flavorful combination that provides the perfect counterpoint to the tangy tamarind water. But the real magic, the secret ingredient that elevates fuchka to legendary status, is in the tamarind water. It's tangy, spicy, and utterly refreshing, a complex blend of flavors that awakens the senses and leaves you craving more. The perfect balance of sweet, sour, and spicy is what makes it so addictive. With a flourish, he hands me a plate, insisting the balance must be perfect. Not too spicy, not too sour. He emphasizes the importance of harmony, explaining that each element plays a crucial role in creating the ultimate fuchka experience. The first bite is an explosion. Crunchy shell, warm filling, and a wave of tangy tamarind. It's a symphony of textures and tastes, a culinary masterpiece in miniature. Fuchka is more than just a snack. It's a cultural icon, deeply ingrained in the fabric of Bangladeshi society. It represents the taste of after-school hangouts, shared laughter, and long conversations with friends. It's a nostalgic reminder of simpler times. It transcends age and class, uniting everyone in a shared love for this quintessential street food classic. It's a common ground, a culinary language that everyone understands. Simple ingredients, expertly combined with passion and precision, create something truly unforgettable. A culinary experience that lingers long after the last bite. As I finish my plate, savoring the last lingering flavors, I understand why fuchka is considered the soul of Dhaka's vibrant street food scene. It's more than just a dish, it's an embodiment of the city's spirit. It's the perfect introduction to the city's diverse and exciting flavors, a gateway to a world of culinary delights. And it leaves me hungry for more, eager to explore the other culinary treasures that Dhaka has to offer. The adventure has just begun. In Newmarket, the clink of metal signals jhalmuri in the making. Ronnie, the vendor, mixes puffed rice with onions, chilies, coriander potatoes, tomatoes, and chanachur. The secret? A generous drizzle of pungent mustard oil that ties it all together. Served in a paper cone, jhalmuri is the ultimate street snack. Crunchy, spicy, fresh, and portable. The first bite is a revelation. Every taste bud is engaged, every texture in play. Born from resourcefulness, jhalmuri is the food of train rides, cricket matches, and lazy afternoons. It's a snack that captures the spirit of Bangladesh, vibrant, a little chaotic, and utterly brilliant. As I walk away, cone in hand, I feel like I'm holding a piece of the city itself. This is street food at its best. In the winding alleys of old Dhaka, the air is thick with the scent of charcoal and roasting meat. At a legendary kebab house, Chacha, the grill master, prepares Mughal-inspired kebabs from family recipes. Sheikh kebabs and boti kebabs sizzle over hot coals, basted with ghee for richness. Served with onions, lime, and naan, the first bite is smoky, tender, and bursting with spice. Each kebab is a taste of history, a link to the Mughal emperors who once ruled these streets. Here, royal flavors thrive in humble surroundings. Old Dhaka's kebabs are a reminder that the city's culinary legacy is alive and delicious. This is history you can taste. Leaving behind the intense, vibrant chaos of Dhaka, a city that never sleeps, I arrive in Chittagong, a city with a different pace, a different energy. The transition is palpable, a shift from the frenetic to something more measured. This is the port city, a place where the rhythm of life is dictated by the sea, where the ebb and flow of tides shape everything from commerce to culture. The air itself is different here. It's salty, thick with the scent of the ocean. The city's rhythm is set not just by the Bay of Bengal's gentle lapping waves, but also by the constant activity of the bustling port, a gateway to the world. Ships come and go, carrying goods and stories from distant lands. Chittagong's streets are noticeably more open, wider, vibrant, and undeniably alive, buzzing with a unique energy that's both familiar and distinctly its own. The soundscape is a mix of the deep, resonant calls of ship horns echoing across the water and the rapid-fire cadence of local dialects, a linguistic tapestry woven from generations of maritime trade and cultural exchange. Here, the food stalls are a testament to the region's natural abundance, focusing on the bounty of both the sea and the surrounding hills. Mountains of fresh seafood, glistening in the sun, and fiery chilies, promising an explosion of flavor. And of course, the city's signature beef dish, mezban, a culinary institution in itself. The pungent, earthy aroma of dried fish and the rich, savory scent of slow-cooked beef fills the air, a tantalizing invitation to indulge. It's a culinary landscape promising bold, unapologetic flavors that awaken the senses. Chittagong's food is deeply rooted in its unique geography and rich tradition, a reflection of its coastal heritage. It's a cuisine shaped by centuries of trade, influenced by the spices and ingredients that have passed through its bustling port. From the fiery kick of spicy beef dishes to the delicate, elegant preparations of fresh seafood, the city offers a culinary adventure that's both exciting and deeply satisfying, a chance to explore a world of flavors. It's a culinary experience unlike any other I've encountered. My anticipation grows with each step as I begin to explore the vibrant food streets and bustling markets, eager to finally taste and discover what makes this unique coastal city's cuisine so special and so renowned. Here, tradition and innovation mingle effortlessly in every single bite, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on the palate. The coast is calling out to me, beckoning me closer with its promise of culinary delights. And I'm absolutely ready to answer that call, ready to dive headfirst into the gastronomic wonders that await. My first mission in Chittagong is to taste mezban, the city's legendary spicy beef curry. In a bustling eatery, huge pots of mezbani gosht simmer, rich with a secret blend of spices and slow-cooked beef. Mezban is more than a meal, it's a symbol of hospitality and community. The beef is fall-apart tender, the gravy bold and complex, embodying Chittagong's generous spirit. Next, I find chingri borta, a coastal mash of shrimp, onions, chilies, coriander, and mustard oil. The shrimp is sweet and smoky, the mustard oil sharp and invigorating. Mixed with rice, it's pure comfort food, simple yet deeply satisfying. These dishes show how Bangladeshi cuisine transforms humble ingredients into unforgettable flavors. Chittagong's food is the taste of the coast, bold, fresh, and full of heart. It's a feast for the senses. No journey through Bangladesh is complete without mishti, sweets that are the heart of every celebration. Sweet shops overflow with colorful treats, each with its own story and artistry. In Dhaka, I try roshogolla, soft cheese balls in fragrant syrup, dissolving into delicate sweetness. Chom chom follows, denser and chewier, often rolled in rich mawa for extra decadence. Each bite is a blend of tradition and craft, perfected over generations. In Chittagong, I discover mishti doi, caramelized yogurt set in clay pots, thick, creamy, and perfectly balanced between tangy and sweet. The earthy flavor from the terracotta adds a unique touch. These sweets are more than dessert. They're a symbol of hospitality and joy. After a spicy meal, nothing soothes like a spoonful of mishti. It's the sweet soul of Bangladesh. My journey ends at a chotpoti stall, a dish that brings together everything I've tasted. Warm yellow peas and potatoes, topped with crispy fuchka shells, onions, chilies, coriander, and grated egg. A final pour of tangy tamarind water ties it all together. Chotpoti is a medley of textures and flavors, warm, crunchy, spicy, and sour. It's a social food, perfect for sharing as the city winds down. Each bite is a crossroads of my adventure, blending the best of Dhaka and Chittagong. Bangladeshi street food is bold, diverse, and deeply rooted in tradition. This final bowl is a celebration of everything I've discovered. Exploring Bangladesh's street food has been a revelation, a journey through a world of bold flavors and rich traditions. Bangladeshi cuisine deserves its place on the global stage, unique and powerful in its own right. The street food here is honest, vibrant, and all about maximizing flavor with fresh, local ingredients. It's the perfect balance of sour, spicy, sweet, and savory, crafted with soul and served with pride. More than just food, it's the experience. The conversations, the generosity, the sense of community. Eating on the streets is an invitation to join the heart of the culture. For any food lover, Bangladesh is an essential destination, challenging, exciting, and unforgettable. Every corner is a new chapter in a living, breathing cookbook. If you crave adventure and flavor, put Bangladesh at the top of your list. The symphony of flavors is waiting for you.